Ever wondered how a seemingly simple text prompt can unlock a universe of possibilities in the crypto world? I mean, we're talking about a technology that can generate code, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and even answer your questions in an informative way. But how does something like Gemini, a large language model, fit into the complex landscape of cryptocurrency? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Before we get into the specifics of Gemini's role in crypto, let's take a step back. The crypto world, as you probably know, is built on blockchain technology. It's decentralized, transparent, and constantly evolving. But it's also complex, filled with jargon, and can be intimidating for newcomers. And even seasoned crypto enthusiasts sometimes struggle to keep up with the latest developments. That's where AI, and specifically large language models like Gemini, come into play. Think of Gemini as a superpowered assistant for the crypto space. It can process vast amounts of information, news articles, white papers, code repositories, forum discussions, and distill it into something understandable. It can identify patterns, spot trends, and even generate new ideas. Essentially, it can help us make sense of the often chaotic world of crypto. So, what are some concrete examples of what Gemini can do in crypto? Let's break it down. One crucial area is education. Crypto is notorious for its steep learning curve. Terms like blockchain, DeFi, NFT, and Web3 can be confusing. Gemini can simplify these concepts, providing clear and concise explanations. Imagine asking Gemini, "What is decentralized finance?" Instead of sifting through dense articles, you could get a straightforward answer, tailored to your level of understanding. This makes crypto education more accessible to everyone, fostering wider adoption. Another important application is market analysis. The crypto market is highly volatile, with prices fluctuating wildly. Predicting these movements is a challenge, even for experts. Gemini can analyze massive datasets of market data, identify trends, and potentially provide insights into future price movements. While it's important to remember that no AI can perfectly predict the market, Gemini's analysis can be a valuable tool for traders and investors. It can help them make more informed decisions, manage risk, and potentially identify profitable opportunities. Beyond analysis, Gemini can also contribute to content creation. Think about the sheer volume of content produced in the crypto space: news articles, blog posts, social media updates, research papers. Gemini can assist in creating this content, generating drafts, summarizing key points, and even translating information into different languages. This can save time and resources for content creators, allowing them to focus on more strategic tasks. For example, a crypto journalist could use Gemini to quickly summarize a complex white paper, or a marketing team could use it to generate engaging social media posts. Furthermore, Gemini can play a role in code development. Many crypto projects rely on complex code, often written in languages like Solidity. Gemini can help developers write and debug code, potentially speeding up the development process. It can also generate code snippets for specific tasks, making it easier for developers to build new crypto applications. While Gemini won't replace human developers, it can be a powerful tool to enhance their productivity and efficiency. Now, let's talk about community engagement. The crypto community is highly active, with discussions happening across various platforms, forums, social media, messaging apps. Gemini can help moderate these discussions, answer common questions, and even identify emerging trends within the community. This can create a more positive and productive environment for community members. Imagine a Discord server for a crypto project where Gemini automatically answers frequently asked questions, freeing up the team to focus on more important issues. Another fascinating application is in the realm of smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. They are a fundamental building block of many DeFi applications. Gemini can assist in creating and reviewing smart contracts, helping to ensure their security and correctness. This is crucial, as vulnerabilities in smart contracts can lead to significant losses. 1. www.bitget.com. www.bitget.com. And let's not forget about research. The crypto space is constantly evolving, with new projects and technologies emerging all the time. Keeping up with this rapid pace of innovation can be challenging. Gemini can help researchers analyze vast amounts of information, identify key trends, and even generate new research questions. This can accelerate the pace of innovation in the crypto space, leading to the development of even more groundbreaking technologies. Now, it's important to address some potential concerns. While Gemini has immense potential, it's not a silver bullet. Like any AI, it's only as good as the data it's trained on. If the data is biased or incomplete, Gemini's output may also be flawed. It's crucial to use Gemini responsibly and critically evaluate its output. It's a tool, not a replacement for human judgment. Another concern is the potential for misuse. Like any powerful technology, Gemini could be used for malicious purposes, such as generating fake news or manipulating markets. It's important to develop safeguards to prevent such misuse and ensure that Gemini is used for the benefit of the crypto community. Finally, it's crucial to remember that Gemini is still under development. Its capabilities are constantly improving, and we can expect even more impressive applications in the future. As AI technology advances, Gemini's role in the crypto world will likely become even more significant. So, to summarize, Gemini can play a crucial role in the crypto space by simplifying complex concepts, providing market insights, assisting with content creation and code development, fostering community engagement, and accelerating research. It has the potential to make crypto more accessible, efficient, and innovative. However, it's important to use Gemini responsibly and address potential concerns about bias and misuse. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.